and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Since I've posted the ready-made templates for the grad magazines, I've been getting a lot of questions, so I'm just going to show you guys how to quickly use them. These are publisher ready-made templates. I just cut my computer on, so don't mind the recovered crap up here because I didn't properly shut my computer down. I do that a lot. That's probably why my computers crash faster than they probably supposed to. But let me move on. So everything on here can be moved, deleted, changed, whatever. So these ready-made templates come with a zip folder. Let me go find it. Filled with grad items. For some reason it's not showing. So if I wanted to change this senior, so say I'm going to use this same concept because I'm going to do a volleyball, well, not a volleyball, I'm going to do a sports magazine for a grad. So their colors are basically red and black and not blue and white. So I'm going to go to my thing here and I'm going to find the senior red in black or whatever, red in white, whatever color I'm going to use. So I'm going to go find the senior. I don't know what this is. It says red and black. Oh, okay, we're going to use that. Let's go back and look for the senior maroon, senior orange, senior gold. Search red. Alright, so we're going to do senior red. We're going to do this class of 2020 red. I'm going to go back and get the MVP red. And now we're going to just switch it out. So you just change that to that. But you guys also know that in Publisher you can just go to format and recolor. It doesn't really, this one isn't really that good, but you can still use it. So you can actually change it, but it won't have the extra black layer. So it just changes. You can do the same thing to your senior, but so if you're looking for a color that is not in your PNGs that sends to you, you can actually just go ahead and change it there. So let's go ahead and add whatever. Change the size. You can remove this and you can put a basketball, football, whatever player you want. Google is where I got that image from. You can Google basketball silhouettes. You can go and get the mascot for the school on Google. So let's go and type in ball PNG. And we get some basketballs. And you just grab one that works. Of course, you can do a better search. It's your choice. You see, it isn't a PNG image, but I'm still going to bring it in. Go back to my magazine. Go back to my folders. And let me grab this. And then I am going to remove this white. Let's flip it. I'm going to add here Right here, I'm going to send to the back. I'm going to delete this volleyball. Remove that. Add my senior up here. Take my 2020. Go back and get the red diploma. Resized. Of course, we're going to take this background, delete it. Then we can go ahead and add a new background in. Hold on, I have to put my other card. And we're just going to grab a red background. Let's grab this one. Oh no, that's not going to work. Right. Stretch it across. Send it to the back. And then just change up your wording and add whatever else you want. So it's very simple to switch these things. It's not very hard. Don't overthink it. Use your imagination to create different concepts of these magazines. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification button so you can be notified when I do release new videos. Happy crafting!
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't